Imagine a company wants to make more money, so it puts more pressure on sales. Great, sales go up. But now, support starts to weaken. Customers wait longer, get frustrated, and eventually leave. Suddenly, the money drops again. So, was the real problem sales? Not really. The problem was the whole system. And this happens everywhere. Marketing says, we just need more marketing. Finance says, we just need to cut costs. Production says, we just need better machines. Each is partly right, but no one looks at how everything is connected. Most of the time, the problem isn't the problem itself. It's that we don't see the whole picture. We focus on one corner, while the rest stays hidden. This is where something called systems thinking comes in. It's like touching an elephant in the dark. You touch the ear. It feels like a fan. Someone else touches the leg. It feels like a tree. Another touches the tail. It feels like a rope. And yes, none of these are wrong, but it's an elephant. If a psychologist ignores the realities of society, the environment where problems arise, if a finance minister overlooks agriculture and planning, or if a labor minister doesn't understand how economic systems work, each ends up focused on a piece of the elephant and may never realize there was an entire elephant in front of them. Systems thinking helps us slow down and ask, if I solve it this way, what happens next? And after that, who else is affected? It makes us more patient, more strategic, less reactive. And it's not just for CEOs or politicians. It matters at home. In relationships, when building businesses, planning careers, or even raising kids. A child drops plastic on the ground, and for them, it just disappears. But when they learn that everything connects, the environment, the food, the water, they start seeing the world differently. They realize nothing happens in isolation. The problem is that many books explain systems thinking in a complicated way. Lots of diagrams, lots of theory, lots of academic language. People think, okay, this is not for me. But it is for all of us. Here on Growth Voices, I want to talk about systems thinking in a simple, practical way. Not as a theory, but as a tool you can use every day in your business and in your life. Here's a small reflection for you. Think about one problem you're dealing with right now. Don't ask, how do I fix this fast? Ask instead, what is this connected to? What did my earlier decisions create? If I push here, what might break over there? Sometimes just asking better questions changes everything. If this kind of thinking resonates with you, I'd love to continue this journey together. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments. Where do you think systems thinking could help you the most? In business, career, or personal life?